There are a lot of factors to consider when choosing a microphone. One of the most important decisions you'll make is whether to go with a wired or wireless option. Both have their pros and cons, and it can be tough to decide which is right for you. In this video, we'll take a look at the pros of wireless microphones. But before that, we need to make sure to invite you to subscribe to us for more videos. Please tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. What advantages do wireless microphones provide? Let's find out. A wireless microphone works when an audio signal is produced by the device itself without any physical connection between the transmitter and receiver. Wireless mics allow you freedom of movement while speaking or singing. This can be especially useful for speaking in church auditoriums or for live events. Less complicated. Wireless microphones are less complicated to use than wired mics because they don't have cords to buy, connect, and maintain. Let's dig deeper into the advantages of wireless mics. Cost effectiveness. Wireless microphones are more affordable than their wired counterparts. When you consider purchasing and maintaining cords to go with corded mics, you can understand that wireless is going to save time, cord expenses, and cord maintenance cost. Clean stage. If you're looking for a clean and simple stage so that the audience can focus on the speaker or performer, you definitely want to choose wireless microphones. Safety. Wireless microphones can be a great choice to avoid trip hazards. Unlike wired microphones, there's no risk of electrical shock or injury from tripping over cables on the floor. Sound quality. Wireless technology allows the delivery of incredible sound. Using multi-channel technology, you can get great sound, avoiding distortion due to interference. Flexibility on stage. Wireless microphones offer more flexibility because the cord needed with a wired microphone is not present to hinder movement on stage. You can even walk into the audience with your wireless mic. This is another reason why we love our wireless mics. In conclusion, wireless microphones have quickly come to dominate as the mics of choice for church events, conferences, live events, and more. Anywhere flexibility of movement and a clean stage appearance is required, you will find wireless mics. Make sure to subscribe to us to keep more videos coming. Hit the bell icon to get a notification for every new video from us.